everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix more insights or analytics not showing on TikTok video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the TikTok app on your phone, then you have to tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then simply select the video you want to see their insights. You can find the more insight option at the bottom left corner of the video. You have to click it, and now you can see that this video insights is not showing you. It is because that the video you uploaded is not longer than 365 days. You have to post the video the 365 days or 1 year. Then after 1 year you can see the more insights from the video or analytics from the video. So if the more insights sometimes not showing after the days was completed, you have to simply open the control center from swipe down at the top right corner. Then you have to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and turn it off. It just refreshes your network, not just anymore. Then now you can see your problem was solved, I hope. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.